523, welcome back. For the first time ever, the federal government is letting 4 American companies grow and study cannabis for medical research, and one of them is based right here in South Central Pennsylvania.
Fox 43's Harry Lee explains why changing attitudes are helping to change laws in the fourth and final part of our Little Green Pill series.
37 states have legalized medical marijuana, a real-time experiment involving millions of Americans. But because cannabis remains federally illegal, no one has done the studies to bring pharmaceutical drugs to market.
They're not being treated like it's a medicine at the federal level. No fault of their own, that's just the discrepancy between federal and state law.
That's about to change. Last year, the DEA authorized 4 new companies to grow and study cannabis for medicine. Momentum is building to increase access to more.
I don't think anyone, Democrat or Republican, would agree that a government-controlled monopoly is good for patients and good for innovation.
A Pew Research poll found 91% of Americans think marijuana should be legal for medical use. That support slowly making its way into politics.
The fact that it's classified in the same list as meth or crack or these truly dangerous substances doesn't make sense to anybody. I don't care how far right or how far left you are.
Pennsylvania Lieutenant Governor John Fetterman has long called for full legalization. New state legislation has more support than ever before, including Republican co-sponsors. But Fetterman has his sights set higher.
Could be taken off the Schedule 1 list federally, which I, of course, would support.
He's running for U.S. Senate in the fall, in a crowded field of candidates. All 3 Democrats and at least 3 of 8 Republican candidates support medical use or full legalization.
What is the actual chance of passing it in Pennsylvania or federally, and why the opposition?
I don't genuinely understand the opposition. I truly don't. I say that in earnest. The second they would say yes, it would be a very straightforward process to hash out the, no pun intended, to hash out the details and get everything situated.
President Joe Biden said during his campaign that he supports decriminalization, but hasn't been able to translate that into law. New representation in Congress could change that in the future. The FDA says they support further research into the medical uses of cannabis. So far, they've approved just 1 cannabis-derived drug for epilepsy. It's a small start, but it's opening the door to a whole new class of prescription drugs. Harry Lee, Fox 43 News.